Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change door direction. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver, a drill, and some wood filler. Next, carefully remove the door from its frame by tapping out the hinge pins. Once the door is off, detach all existing hardware, such as hinges, the latch, and the strike plate. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth process. Now, it's time to prepare the door and its frame. Use wood filler to meticulously fill all the old screw holes from the previous hinges and strike plate. Let the filler dry completely, which usually takes several hours, ensuring a solid base. Then, precisely measure and mark the new hinge locations on both the door and the frame, typically 3 hinges spaced evenly. With the preparation done, we can install the new hardware. Carefully mortise the new hinge recesses into the door and frame at your marked locations. This creates a flush fit. Next, attach the hinges securely using the appropriate screws, ensuring they are firmly seated. Finally, install the new strike plate and the latch mechanism, making sure everything aligns perfectly. The final steps involve rehanging and fine-tuning. Carefully lift and rehang the door onto the newly installed hinges, aligning the pins. Once hung, thoroughly test the door's swing, ensuring it opens and closes smoothly without catching. Also, check the latching mechanism for proper engagement. Make any minor adjustments to the hinges or strike plate to achieve a perfect fit and a tight seal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.